darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left you see while I was sleeping, and the vision that I planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Endlessly do my walk alone, narrow street to cobblestone, neath the hollow of Bruce River. I turn my color to the golden dawn, when my eyes are stopped by the flash of a neon light that splits the night and touch the sound of silence, and the people bow to pray to the neon gods they made, and the silence had to eat for me in the world of it was for me, and the silence said the words of prophet written on the subway wall, and tell me home and whisper in the sound of silence.